when you're recording, you're recording?
Yep.
Alhamdulillah. It's cold, it's freezing. It's what, 6 o'clock? I've made you wait like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, was it worth it or?
Alhamdulillah, yeah, it was worth it.
We told all the customers, I said a video yesterday, I said, look, be patient with us. Obviously, you know, it's hard when you're in the 4x4, you just can't hire. I've been in the business before where I've hired people and they haven't been able to full help the customer. So what do you reckon today was like?
Yeah, 100%.
You got passed on to my missus for a bit to help you out, and then
We came here, we wanted to speak to you.
Well,
we need to speak to the boss.
it came down. So tell me what we got here. We got your Bullbar side steps.
Bullbar.
You tell me.
Bullbar, side steps, bash plate, we've got a winch,
Recovery,
what else?
Weathershield,
There
Bonnet
was so much I
Protector,
forgot.
Weathershield, Bonnet Protector, Throtle Controller, Snorkel, recovery track for his recovery track. Tell me, how much was it online? How much did you sit online?
Recovery track?
Yeah, how much was on the website?
$100, something like that. $60, I think.
65 bucks.
Yeah.
How much?
High price.
How much I give it to you?
$30.
30 bucks.
But still,
30 bucks. I said, bro, take it 30 bucks. You happy? He goes, yeah, done. Throttle controller, 17,000 pound winch. How much did I do for you?
It was online for
Yeah.
800.
yeah, we got for like what, 300,
No,
400.
400. Yeah.
849, done it for him, 400 bucks. Cost. Some of the stuff even below cost. All that lift kit, bull bar, side step, brush bar, winch, throttle controller, fuck me dead. Recovery point, recovery track. Bro, I don't even know, but I'll tell you one thing. He had a budget in his mind. What was your budget you had on your mind before you came here?
Straight out, my budget was about 10 grand.
10 grand. He paid just around 5 grand. 5 grand for everything, the whole lot. And Abdul is gonna fit the whole thing out for him in about, apparently, this guy's a magician.
5 hours.
So he's
5,
gonna
6 hours.
5-6 hours. He's gonna fit it all out for him. So alhamdulillah, we're there. You know what I mean? I did make him wait a little bit, but you know what? I always tell my customers, if I end up making you wait, just remember the reward is even better. So even one of the other boys, he came, he wanted a roof cage. You know what I mean? It was about 500 bucks. I told him 300 bucks. Take it, bro. Aluminium steel. Bull bars for Prado 150. That's 2 grand on the website. I've done it for him for about 1,500 bucks. You know what I mean? So that's how it is at Aussie 4x4. If you come down and you do have to wait, just remember it's going to be worth it. You know what I mean? What do you reckon?
Nah.
You know, that was 100%.
Back
You
and chill.
know what I mean? Do you reckon we can do anything better or anything better on the price or something like that?
No, that was a good price.
One of the boys dropped a comment. He goes, "Cuz, by the sounds of it, with these prices, I think you're going to get bankrupt." I said, "Bro, I've got enough stock to keep me going for another whole year." Alhamdulillah, thank you, boys.
Thanks, bro.
Back from the mosques, alhamdulillah, it's good to see the youth. You know what I mean? It's good to see the youth, and these boys are from Greenacre. You know what I mean? A favorite area of mine. If you want to go to Greenacre, if you want to do a pit stop at Greenacre, go past Purple Parrot, one of the best barbecue wicked wings that you could ever try in the whole fucking area. You know what I mean? There is another place you can try it if you want to go to in Bringelly. I think it's my mate's shop there. You know what I mean? Ahmed Shama. I think he's got a shop there, bro. He's got a nice barbecue shop if you want to try. If he's ever towards Austral, he's got a mad barbecue shop. You know what I mean? Just go there and you just see it sizzling in front of your eyes, in your mouth, in your belly, falling asleep on the chair like me, back like falling off the chair actually. All right, thank you guys.